Today we're going to be turning this into that. This is a plug and play install. All you're going to need is a Pro Tool, a T15 Torx bit, a 7mm, and a 932. Just pry it off. Yeah, so underneath, you're just going to remove that 7mm. All right, so once you got your splash guard off, just want to remove those two T15s right here and push this back to expose the clips. All right, to get this T15 out, you can use something like this, like a mini right angle screwdriver or tool thing. It's just small, or you can use a right angle. So in my situation, I got 22s on the back, so I'm gonna use this one right here to fit in this tight spot. All right, so once you get those off, you better pull this back. You can't really see, but the OEM ones have like let it focus, clips just like these. All you want to do is squeeze the clips, squeeze it in, and it should release and you should push it out. And then I'll show you how to take this piece off too. All right, so once you release the clips, you just want to push this tab up, and you want to push, don't squeeze, you don't got to squeeze it hard, but just squeeze a little bit. And if you look at the bottom, see it move up, and then it should come off like that. All right, so now I got the OEM out, the OEM one out. So find the replacement, should be labeled, and just look for the tab, make sure it's in the same spot. So now you want to put that clip in and put your two T15s back in, and you should be good. All right, yeah, so always make sure as soon as you plug it in, make sure they work before you go ahead and finish doing all the install. I already put the T15s back in and everything. But yeah, let's go ahead and pull this off. Grab your keys, do the unlock button. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little thing back on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to the front and show you how to do that. Alright, so the front is pretty much the same thing. I have this aftermarket front splitter, so if you don't have this, you're gonna have three T15 Torx, so the same thing you have for the rear. I gotta remove these from mine, and then I'll cut this back on when I can expose it. Oh yeah, also it's also on the bottom of this, it's a 932, whatever, down there, socket, a little bolt to take this off. It's at the bottom. All right, so once you got this out, same thing as the rear. All right, so these work. Now I'm just gonna put them back in, redo all the steps. This was way more work with mine than you would have, because you don't have the same stuff, whatever, or you don't have the aftermarket one like I got this one. So it's different from like this is a little cheap eBay one rather than the ones that most people have. All right.